product we finally were interested in were quite new for us, so it was kind of a dark horse for us when we invited IPS for this procurement. We have now terminated and awarded IPS the contract. It turned out they had a very competitive price and very high level of requirements fulfillment, so our choice was rather easy, really. The product we are now acquire and will implement in our project is this IPS network model management. We are well aware of the portfolios IPS has today, primarily the relay focus, the relay domain. The IPS product really struck us. It really addresses one of our core functionalities, one of our major challenges, and that is twofold. It is to include the planning process. No one has done that before. They seem to have a very strong solution in versioning, branching, taking care of the timeline, and that is paramount for our success. And we believe that IPS really listened to us and assessed our tender and presented a very feasible solution. We have a lot of internal challenges, of course, to build a database and to build business processes around it. They seem to be very capable of solving our core requirements. That is the basis for success. I definitely can see what we saw with this voice control. That would be something that could speed up and enhance effectiveness. I should say agile and fast moving, that was too